Good evening, everybody. It's 7:32 and 24 seconds on September 5th. This is the drawing for the Marvel premiere. Obviously, I don't know how to spell. Issues 1 and 15. Number 15 is the first Iron Fist. Issue 1, as I was taking pictures of it, I found Gil Kane's signature on the inside. So I don't know if it's real or not. It's signed in ballpoint pen. But it's there. I compared it to other Signature Series books, and it looks to be the real signature. So over here on the left-hand side are the 14 filled spots. Let's quickly roll our 3 dice. The number is 9. We'll randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get both books. They will ship out tomorrow, September 6th. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here is the final one. 9. Spot 5, Scott Bayron. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. I apologize if I butchered it. It is 7:33 and 31.